Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. This is, yes, more storage that I got from Amazon. I'm trying not to show the other side because that's where my address is. But let's see. So yes, this is more storage I got from Amazon. I had zero intention of buying this, but a viewer, Jill, yeah, it was Jill who commented on one of my previous videos and told me about MyVipon.com, which has really, really good coupons for items that you get like on Amazon. You could also get items on other places, but so far I've only gotten the Amazon coupons. So this is a diamond painting storage that has storage, and it looks like it has these bottle storage in here, and there's a bunch of labels, and then number labels. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these because I really kid up, but number labels and these bottles. The box is actually pretty good, I think. These bottles, let's see, I don't know how many bottles there are. Let's see. I think they said it was supposed to be 54, so is it all lined up? I need to make sure that they're lined up, so if I do a multiplication, it'll just be that. Okay, so it looks like this row has one less, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's 4, 5, so that's 55 minus 1, so that's 54. Man, they could have given me one more. But yeah, it has 54 of these bottle containers. And then it has, a little roller, some pens, like I need that. Oh wait, look. I don't know if you could tell, but the multi-placer is curved. I don't know. Would I like that? How much better would that be? I might have to try these out. So this one's not curved, but these other two multi-placers are curved. Cheap tweezers, which I have like 50 million of those. More boats, which I have several of those. Oh wow, look at all the wax. I have so much wax. Another boat. At least this is the MOSFA ones. I actually do use these, so that's nice. Baggies. Wait, what is this? Random screw? Now I'm pondering where to screw. It's my roller. My roller looks like it lost, not a random screw, what is this, a nut. It lost, I have to do a little surgery. Okay, at least I figured that out before I started rolling something and I lost my roller. I'll have to go get, it doesn't seem like it'll go farther than this, so I'll have to go get my tools and put this together, but there's my roller. But yeah, look, I have a whole bunch of baggies. I'm pretty sure this was supposed to come with like 100 baggies. But yeah, I think, no, these are smaller. I was hoping that these would be the same size as my kitting down baggies, but I think these are smaller because my kitting down baggies are 2.25 across. And are these 2.25? Oops. No. So these are the smaller baggies. So they'll just go in my stash of 50 million smaller baggies because I seriously do have lots of baggies. But yeah, lots and lots and lots of baggies. I think these are supposed to be 100 baggies. Okay, what else does this thing come with? There's 4 squishies. I think this is the first time I've seen squishies in these colors. They're like fall colors, and then one random blue one. Is this a funnel? I do need one of these because if you saw one of my previous kitting ups, I did struggle a lot. Okay, so yay, I got a funnel, one of these collapsible funnels. It'll make kitting up in these bottles so much easier, right? So I don't know. Does it feel like it's top heavy? Will it fall down? I don't know, but I got a collapsible funnel. It's much bigger than my current funnel, which is... So my last time I bought one of these bottle system, the funnel it came with was just this big. So seriously, how much bigger, like how much more of an opening is this than just pouring it into here? It's like barely bigger, but this one, it's huge compared to my tiny baby funnel. So yeah, now I have a funnel. But yeah, and I wonder, oh, okay, so this comes off. They only have one divider here, so not sure. Is there more ridges that I could... Okay, so seems like there's a ridge here. I could put this in the middle here. Woo! Yeah, this is gonna be a mess. Ooh, I wonder how many more I could fit in here. So if I were to keep going that way, so I could probably fit, and if, yeah, I probably could fit 11 across also, right? So if I had something with a lot of colors, would I be able to use this? So what is this? Do I still have 11 across? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So 11 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I could hypothetically put 77 colors or jars in here. I wonder if this matches my other jar system, which I'll go get. Luckily, it's the same room as me. So here is the last jar system I got. I'm just more curious if it's the same. Oh wait, it's different size than my other bottle system. It's taller than my other bottles, but not as wide, just slightly less wide. So it probably would hold the same amount of drills, just, yeah, it is taller. So no, these bottles are not apparently all created equal. So I'm guessing the caps don't match either. Yeah, no, this is too small. Makes sense because it is a thinner bottle. So yeah, if I were to get more, I guess I could really use these, but I'd have to remember that they're not the right size. Yeah, see, they're shorter. But yeah, I just had, oh, so the reason I had to get this is, so with the MyVipon deal, this cost me $7.52, and that's including tax, when it's normally $22.99. So I think for $7.52 with all these things I got. Wait, was this in here? Oh yeah, this was in here too, right? Yeah, it's not the one I have. So yeah, there was a straightener thing too. Did I miss that? And then there's one of these things, which is a lot smaller than my normal one, but this has more like weight to it. It's pretty heavy, so I think that will work. So yeah, I think for $7.52, this was a really, really good deal for it, and that's why, hence why I bought it. I do see that there are these ridges here, and I might do what I did for this one, which is I cut up some mail, and I made dividers for it. So it looks like there's dividers that you could go this way, or there's 3 here that you could go this way. So depending on how it fits, I don't know if the dividers will work just because where they're at. But yeah, I don't know. Will I ever need 77 bottles at the same time? We'll see. I probably will if I do some bigger ones. But yeah, it's a lot messier now. I'll fix this after this video. But yeah, so I was planning to originally record this like right away after I got it. But then when I got it and I looked on MyVipon, the deal was gone. So the deals do come and go, but this one was really, really cheap. I've seen light pads for less than $10. Um, I don't know if it's good that I keep checking them out because then I'll just buy more storage, but I didn't have this one yet, so it's an excuse, right? And it looks like it has these grips here because, you know, in case I wanted to, I don't know, hold it easier. But yeah, I'm happy enough with this. I kind of wish that the bottles were created equal and matched my bottles in my other system, but you know, these are all made by different people, so I guess this is why people try to keep the same bottles together. I'm not too particular, as long as it'll fit, it'll fit. But yeah, there's my deal from MyVipon. I suggest you go look it up if you want some deals, and thank you to Jill for letting me know about the website. But yeah, there you go. Now I have more storage because, you know, you can never have too much storage, right? All right, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!